Hello everyone. First of all, I'm sorry about the sounds. It's very windy and I decided to clean the street right in front of my house, but I wanted to show you this is my second try growing things on the rooftop. I have this membrane roof on my garage and it collects water. So now it's very dry, but you can see where they actually water puddle builds up every time it rains. So my idea was that with this grow bag I would have a water reservoir to water these grow bags, and I have one over there. And in theory, I was able to do sweet potatoes like this a couple of years ago. Uh, this year I'm gonna try melon and sweet potatoes if I receive some, because I ordered a few. I still didn't receive. Uh, Here you see I have a cantaloupe. It's a little sun scorched, but it will be fine. To be safe, I also added a bottle with those wicking cones. It's like a kind of a concrete material cone that you attach to the bottle and it wicks slowly the water. So we'll see how that one goes. Right here now I'm gonna put a fleece like on this one. That I don't know if you can see, but there's the little watermelon seedling in there. On this one I didn't put the watering system because I didn't have, so I might add it if I need some Teflon tape to adjust that tip on the bottle. So if I get around to get it, then I'll add it. Otherwise, this one is gonna stay like this. So here it's super hot. It's like I'm sweating, and it's not even that hot in other parts of the yard. But because we are on the black rooftop, it's super hot. So that's the idea to have the melons on top here. The only problem would be the watering. But if we get a good constant rain, at least once a week, with a puddle builds it up, it should be fine. So I'll keep you updated on this project. I wanted to show you right from the start. I just plant them. We might still have a late frost. That's why I put the fleece. It doesn't look like, but just to be safe. And also to help them establish, because they are already a bit sun scorched. So this one is going to happen a bit. Thanks for watching. Take care.